how to sync calendar on iPhone and MacBook. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Now, syncing your calendars is almost entirely automated as long as you're signed into the same cloud account like iCloud, Google, or Outlook on both devices. Now, if you use the default Apple Calendar, you should need to ensure the iCloud toggle is on. So go to your settings application, click your name at the very top, and then go over to iCloud, which is the fifth option. Once you're here, go over to the apps using iCloud or just saved to iCloud area. Then you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see iCloud Calendar as one of the options. And then where it says use on this iPhone, all you want to do is go ahead and enable that. It says existing local calendars. What would you like to do with your existing local calendars? Then you just got to choose merge right there. And then that's it. You should be good to go. And this will work exactly the same on iPad as well. So just go over to the same toggle and then you'll be good to go there too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting in the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.